So I could not help but notice the other day that some of my roosters' combs are getting frostbite and turning black, and they're going to fall off in the spring. And other roosters with combs don't have any damage or very little damage, and they're in the same coop. So see this guy, this Delaware mix? His comb's not that bad. He's got a little bit of damage on his comb, but it's really not that bad. He's not going to lose his entire comb. And this Delaware guy, yes, we need more bedding in here, big time. Yes, we do. Like today. He's got a good sized comb that's not damaged. But if we go over here, I gotta grab them some hay. If we go over here, we find, God, none of you are outside right now, huh? It's very dark in here. But this guy is gonna lose his whole comb here. It's all damaged and frostbitten. This guy's losing most of his comb. This guy's comb is fine. And this guy up here is gonna lose the very top of his. Are you camera shy today, pal? But they are all in the same coop, so it's yeah, they don't like being out in the snow and the cold all day, so they're all cooped up, aren't you guys? In here. And yeah, it's just weird that some roosters are losing their combs to frostbite and others aren't. Like, look at this guy, his comb is fine. Look at that, barely any damage at all. And the guy next to him, he's got the whole top of his comb damaged. So I just thought that was interesting, and going to be trying to design my next coops when I get the hell out of here so that nobody has any frostbite damage on their comb. It's all about ventilation and airflow in the winter, and if you have too much ventilation, you're gonna have damage, and not enough, you're gonna have damage. So I gotta figure out that fine balance. But I just thought that was really freaking weird that these roosters, I mean, even the ones on the same side of the coop, have a major variation in damage as far as frostbite it goes this year. It's like some are completely gonna lose the tops of their combs and others have no damage. But, yeah, if anybody has any thoughts or knowledge on that, let me know. Yeah, this guy is fine. Look at him. He's got a little bump on the top of his beak, and that's probably from a fight with another rooster. But he's absolutely fine. Isn't he, loosey-goosey? I'm going to go get them some hay, because their coops are embarrassingly dirty right now, because Loosey Goosey and company keep eating all the hay bedding I keep putting in here. Hello, ladies. We're not digging the snow. They're all mad at me because I only have ways to feed them outside. If I give them hay inside for bedding, they eat it all, and then they don't have bedding. So making them eat outside in the snow, and they don't like it. They hate it. They hate it. Been complaining all morning like I complain all morning. That's better. That looks much better, doesn't it, buddy? Yeah. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna get a nice egg here. All right. Thank you, ladies. All right. Nothing else in here? Okay. Just checking. Yeah. It's gotta feel good on your toesies. On your toes, huh? It's gonna feel good on your toes, huh, Rooster? Yeah? Tell us. We got this side nice and cozy. Looking good.